Hi guys, it's Tim with InflatableOffice and EventOffice, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about workers. Um, when this is all over, this pandemic, one of the hard things that you're going to have to do is rebuild your workforce. And I know that the workforce was probably one of the harder things that you dealt with anyway, just because of all the irregularities of this business. But I think that it's going to be a significant concern for you as you start to ramp up your business. Inflatable Office and Event Office offer a number of things for you to help with that. Today I'm going to go over one thing, and that is training. So one of the things that you can do is set yourself up some training stuff during this time while you're not as busy, so that when it comes time to hire back in all of your new employees or your former employees, you can put them through these training things and not have to spend maybe as much time doing it one-on-one as you would normally. I still think there's value to that, but this is just another way to help improve and onboard your workers a little quicker and save yourself some time. So what you would do in our system is go to surveys and training, which is right here. That takes us to this page. We would add a training/quiz. And you can type the name in here on your training. And click OK. Once you do that, you can see that that's the survey selected now, and now we're looking at questions, okay? So we're going to add a question here. And probably to start with, you're not going to add a question. You're going to put something in like, watch this video. Maybe you made a little video or something, and so you can come in here and paste that video URL in. Oh, let's see here. That's not the right URL. Let me get a valid one. It's got to be, I think it's going to be YouTube or Vimeo. Some others might work too. But anyway, we paste that URL in, and here we go. We have a video that's now going to be displayed when they get to this part of it. So we'll go ahead and save that. So that's our first one. Then we would maybe put some questions in like, this would, you'd do a much better question than that, than this one. This is just an example here, but you get the idea. Now you could do short answer. It's hard to grade short and long answer, but you can grade things like single choice. So you could say your choices are these, and if you choose this one, it's the correct choice. So and we allow you to order these so that you can make sure it's in the correct order for you. Again, if you want to do just not a video, if you're not really a video person, not good at making them, you can just come in here and paste in or type in other things. It's pretty easy to use this editor. We might want to do an ordered list. And so you might put some stuff in there for them to read and then quiz them on it in the next question, right? So one of the cool things about this system is if you can set it up with your workforce. So if you're using our workers module here, you can come in here and you can say, okay, I need to make sure that Jim Jones does the new training that we just set up. Once they complete it, the date will show up in here. If you want to put a date in there, you can, so that you can say they did complete it. Maybe you went through it as a group or something. But once they do it, it will fill that in. If you want to clear that date, we still record their last, all these dates that they've completed it, so you can clear the date and force them to take it again. This is also in conjunction with an email here that will, let's see, it'll allow us to, got my worker emails here, allow us to send out an automated training email so that you make sure that they do the training that they're supposed to do, and it'd be this one here, and it would list those trainings. Additionally, inside their login, when they log into the worker site, because we have an entire worker site, they have all those trainings listed. And one of the things that we recently upgraded with that is it's not just the ones that they have to complete, it's additionally all the ones they completed. So if they want to go back and review it, they can. So if you want to put certain information in there about reviewing it, you can do that. So anyway, this is Tim with InflatableOffice EventOffice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon.